Hey everybody, welcome to Bobby Builds It. Got another quick one today. I want to show you an idea I came up with years ago to keep from having to put all the stickers that I collect from rock and roll shows and breweries and wherever else I get them. Didn't really want to put them on my cooler because I've seen stickers wear out pretty fast that way. I don't have a toolbox or anything to put them on like I see a lot of the other YouTubers do. I came up with this idea a few years ago. We're going to knock out this project right quick. You'll need some plexiglass. This piece happens to be 14.5 inches wide. A couple of pieces of wood. This is just whiteboard from Lowe's. I think a 6-foot board was like $5. I cut these to 21.25 inches. That's not a real scientific measurement. You just want them a little bit longer on either side of your plexiglass, so you have it's going to act as a clamp. For this, I'm going to use some of the wire to hang it with. You can use the alligator things or however you want to hang it. And some screws. Now I want the plexiglass roughly centered in my board, so I'm going to come 3.5 inches. Make a mark there. And on the other side. And that will also tell me where not to drill the pilot holes for my screws. Now I'm going to drill my pilot holes. If you really want to, you can get all scientific and lay these things out, but I'm just going to put them about where I think makes sense. I need to clamp the boards together to hold them. Doing both at once. Apparently I elected to take a picture of this last step instead of a video. All I did is I came over an inch and in 3/8 of an inch on either side, drilled a 1/16 inch pilot hole for this eye bolt, and just make sure you're not interfering with your pilot holes there. And you just screw this guy in. Just like so. Roughly 31 inches of this wire. How much of this you want to use depends on how much slack you want for the thing. It's just going to be kind of hanging down. Almost like a tapestry of sorts. And just loop it through and twist it around. That side started a little bit. Over here. That's about what we're looking for. You could probably get away with fewer inches of this wire, but that's how we ended up. So speaking of stickers, look what we've got here. If you'd like one, just leave a comment saying you'd like one, then email me. The email will be in the description of the video with where to send it. Okay. We've got our marks where I want to line up the plastic. Get those lined up. Get flush with the top here. I've already got the screws started in the front piece. Line them up with our other holes. Now you may have noticed a little bit of a struggle trying to get this piece and this piece to line up. That's because I did something silly and did not label front, back, top, bottom. At some point the boards got flipped over and out of sort, and I put the screws through the wrong direction, had to back them back out, fix it. So yeah, I promise that kind of mistake wasn't staged. I just didn't do something I should have. But now we're ready to go. And there you go. One way to get your stickers on something that you can move around with you. And it's not coming out. As you can see, I did have to drill down pretty hard. I did get a little bit of cracking, but then that's all right for this purpose. This one is going to stay out here in the shop anyway. All right, that'll wrap this one up. Like I said, if you would like your own Bobby Builds a sticker, just leave it a comment and say you would like one, and send an email. The email will be in the description of the video. Tell me where to send it. And I'm also going to start doing a mail call for any sticker exchanges I get. That'll wrap this one up, and we'll see you next time.